Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a white diamond 2011 GMC Yukon SLT, stock number 18C469A. There are chrome heavy-duty tow hooks, factory fog lights, and a beautiful chrome grille up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a polished alloy rim that is wrapped in Goodyear Eagle LS2 tires. You have running boards along the sides. And then inside you have a power sunroof. There is a tan leather upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row. You've got seating for 3 back in the second row. On the back of the center console, you have your climate controls for your audio controls and 2 AV inputs. And then coming to the third row, might be a little hard to see back here, but there is seating for 3. And we'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a trailer hitch here in the back. You've got backup sensors as well as a backup camera that will display in the rear view mirror. There is a power liftgate, so it's as easy as you push one button to get that trunk open and closed. As you can see, it's very clean inside. Both the third row and the second row seating fold down to give you tons of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this GMC today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have buttons for memory seating as well as heated and cooled seating. You have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. To the left of the steering wheel, there's a 4x4 turn dial control. And then on the steering wheel itself, you have cruise control buttons as well as audio controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 5.3-liter V8 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 21 miles per gallon. There are driver information buttons back here. Above the rear view mirror, you have HomeLink garage door opener buttons, and this is also equipped with OnStar. You have a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, there are dual climate controls, and you've also got a button here for a power adjustable pedal. If you'd like to get more information on this Yukon or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.